When your electronics go into medical, military, or aerospace applications, every solder joint must stand the test of time. At PCBasic, we specialize in high reliability, small and medium volume PCBA manufacturing. Today, we'll show you how our selective soldering process achieves IPC Class 3 quality. The IPC standards define global quality expectations in electronics assembly. Class 3 is the highest level used in applications where performance and reliability are critical. It requires higher through-hole fill, excellent wetting angles, and defect-free solder joint integrity. We use our aiding selective soldering system with precise nozzle control and real-time temperature feedback. Our process includes 5 steps: flux application, uniform preheating, selective soldering, cooling, and solder joint inspection. Thanks to multi-axis path planning and thermal control, every joint we produce meets IPC Class 3 requirements, both physically and electrically. Now let's move into the live demo. We load the soldering program, position the PCB, and start applying flux. Flux must only cover the target joints, avoiding unwanted contamination. The solder nozzle then moves with pinpoint accuracy, soldering each point individually. Even multi-pin connectors and dense components are handled in one go. After soldering, we run 3 levels of inspection. AOI for visual defects, X-ray for verifying through-hole fill, manual inspection under magnification to confirm wetting angles, icicles, and bridges. Every joint must meet IPC Class 3 criteria, typically over 75% barrel fill. At PCBasic, we believe even small batch production deserves top-tier soldering quality. If you're looking for a reliable PCBA partner, don't hesitate to get in touch with us.